If you're sending messages via API from the VABA section and you've took the API key from the VABA section and you're not able to see the messages in your live chat, the reason for it is live chat is actually connected with our CRM and not the VABA. So you need to go to CRM and then go to the channels option. Here you will get a different API URL and API key. Please note the body will stay exactly same. You just have to change the API key and the API initial URL, and then you need to send the messages. Now the messages will basically go via our CRM and that will get stored in the inbox. And to ensure that you are able to see the messages in the inbox, and if you are sending template messages, kindly sync your WhatsApp templates, so the layout of the template will basically get stored in our CRM. So just giving a brief information, to save the outbound API messages to the inbox, you need to get the API key from CRM channels page, API key as well as the domain. Thank you.